This is the review of my brand new Hamilton Beach 8-quart programmable set and forget slow cooker. This one is larger than the normal size that most people have. It serves 10 plus people, perfect for family meals, holds up to 8-pound chicken or 6-pound roast. So let's open this baby, what you say? Okay, here's the lid. Be careful because it's glass. Pops right out. Then the removable pot so that's easier to clean. That is very important when you're getting a new crock pot. If you've ever tried to wash a crock pot in this thing that's still got the cord with it, you'll understand. That's vital. Okay. Well, that's super light, but this is only the component, right? Wow. Look at that. This goes back in. That's your heavy part. And let's plug it up. I'm about to make a taco soup. Okay, all of our temperature settings and everything is right here. We turn it on, and it's on. You have a warm, a low, and a high, and then you have your timer and you have your temp. And so low for 8 hours, or warm for 10 hours, or high is for 4 hours, is what you do. And so right now it is currently working and it is currently getting warm. And so I am making a taco soup today, so let me get my meat first. Okay, here goes my ground beef in there. All right, let me show you this one other feature that we've got here. The timer setting right here, if you decide that you want it on high for longer than 4 hours, all you do is change the timer. So I switched mine just a minute ago up to 8 hours, but I can take it down and it will go by every 30-minute time period. So if you say that you want it to cook on high for 5 hours, you just use the timer up and down to change if you want it on high, if you want it on low, or if you want it on warm, you can set your timer for whatever amount of time it is. It is so large. It makes a big difference having a larger crock pot versus a smaller one. Even I thought a 6 quart was big enough, and it really isn't. This one has so much more room. So even my one little pot of taco soup is actually, it's not going to fill it all the way up, and I'm not going to have to worry about the liquid ingredients coming over the top. This is actually perfect for my family, and I don't have to worry about it spilling over or anything. Take a look. I wish I had gotten this larger crock pot sooner. Put it in your cart today.